You know that feeling? Your hands are full of groceries, it's pitch black outside, and you're desperately digging for a key you can't see? It's a tiny, daily frustration that adds up. Well, what if your entire home could work with you, not with you? Today we're playing the role of the solver, curating 15 brilliantly simple smart tech gadgets that genuinely upgrade your day, eliminate those little headaches, and bring a touch of the future into your routine. Let's dive into these life-changing finds. First, the classic struggle, the key fumble. It happens to the best of us. You're juggling bags, it's raining, and the lock just won't cooperate. It's a security blanket that often feels more like a hassle. But the hero of this story is the Wyze Auto Lock Bolt. This isn't just a lock, it's your personal doorman. It replaces your existing deadbolt in about 20 minutes, and then the magic begins. The transformation happens with a single touch. Your fingerprint, stored securely in the app, unlocks the door in under a second. No more pockets, no more panic. You can create unique codes for family members or dog walkers and see a full history of who came and went. You can even set it to auto-lock behind you so that nightly, "Did I lock the door?" anxiety vanishes forever. The resolution? You approach your home, it recognizes you, and you glide inside. It's a seamless, secure, and genuinely futuristic start to every single day. How many times have you been in another room, heard the doorbell, and sprinted only to find an empty doorstep? Or worse, hesitant because you weren't expecting anyone? Uncertainty is the real problem. The Ring Video Doorbell Wired is the hero that eliminates the guesswork. This compact device hardwires into your existing doorbell system for constant power, and it sends a real-time notification to your phone the moment its advanced motion detection senses someone approaching. The transformation is immediate. You open the live view and see a crisp 1080p HD video feed, day or night, thanks to its sharp night vision. You can have a full, clear conversation with the delivery person or visitor through two-way talk. The resolution is profound peace of mind. You know who's there before you answer. You can leave verbal delivery instructions, and you have a recorded log of all activity. It's like having a vigilant, silent guardian at your door around the clock. Let's set the scene. You're cooking dinner, your hands are covered in flour, and you want to change the music. Or you're relaxing on the couch and need a quick answer. Grabbing your phone is a hassle. The Google Nest Mini is the small but mighty hero that answers the call. This unassuming, fabric-covered speaker blends into any room, but it's powered by the entire knowledge and convenience of Google. The transformation begins with a simple, "Hey Google." You can stream music from Spotify or YouTube Music, and thanks to its improved speakers, the sound is surprisingly rich and full-bodied, with much more bass than you'd expect. But it's so much more than a speaker. It's your assistant. Ask for the weather, set multiple timers while you cook, get your daily schedule, or control a universe of compatible smart home devices with just your voice. The resolution? Your home becomes an interactive, helpful space. It's the central hub for convenience, making everyday tasks hands-free and effortlessly smooth. Think about all the dumb devices in your home. The lamp you have to physically turn on, the fan you forget to turn off, the coffee maker that doesn't know your schedule. The struggle is a lack of automation. The Amazon Smart Plug is the brilliantly simple hero that gives a voice to your ordinary appliances. There's no complex installation here. You just plug it into your wall outlet, plug your device into it, and follow the simple steps in the Alexa app. In minutes, it's ready. The transformation is magical. Alexa, turn on the bedside lamp. As you're getting into bed, the light turns on without you moving. You can create routines, like having your coffee maker and living room lamp turn on simultaneously at 7 a.m. The resolution is a home that anticipates your needs. It's one of the most affordable and impactful ways to dip your toes into the smart home world, instantly upgrading the devices you already own and use every single day. The frantic search. We've all been there. You're running late and your keys, wallet, or that one specific backpack have decided to play a cosmic game of hide and seek. The panic is real. The hero in this story is deceptively small, the Apple AirTag. This little disc is a giant in the world of finding things. The setup is a simple one-tap process with your iPhone or iPad. Attach one to your keyring, slip another into your wallet, or toss one into your travel luggage. The transformation comes when you need it. Open the Find My app, and you can see the AirTag's location on a map. If it's nearby, you can trigger a sound to play from the AirTag itself, guiding you to it. For supported iPhones, Precision Finding uses ultra-wideband technology to give you arrow-by-arrow directions right to the spot. The resolution? You replace minutes of stressful searching with a few seconds of calm, directed action. It's a simple gadget that gives you the superpower of always knowing where your most important things are. Harsh, sterile overhead lighting can ruin a perfectly cozy evening. The struggle is an inability to control the mood and ambiance of your space. Sengled smart light bulbs are the colorful, dynamic heroes that change everything. These aren't your average LEDs. Screw them into any standard socket, connect them via Bluetooth to your Alexa app in seconds, and suddenly you have complete command over your lighting. The transformation is at your fingertips, or more accurately, your voice. Alexa, set the living room lights to soft, warm white at 30%. Instant movie theater ambiance. Alexa, change the lights to blue. Now it's a party. You can choose from millions of colors and a full dimming range from bright to a subtle glow. The resolution is a home that adapts to your life. You can create schedules for waking up, or set scenes for reading, relaxing, or entertaining. It's one of the most visually impactful and satisfying smart tech upgrades you can make. We're over halfway through this list. If you're finding these gadgets helpful, please show some love by liking the video, commenting, and subscribing for more smart tech finds. It really helps us out. Now, back to the final gadgets. You want the convenience of a smart speaker, but maybe you don't have a lot of space, or you want to add voice control to a smaller room, like an office or bedroom. The struggle is finding a device that fits. The Amazon Echo Pop is the compact, stylish hero designed for exactly this. Its unique semi-spherical design is engineered to deliver full, clear sound directionally, making it perfect for placing on a shelf or nightstand. The transformation is all about accessibility. Ask Alexa to play music from Amazon Music or Spotify, set timers, check the news, or control all those compatible smart devices we've been talking about. Its compact size is its superpower, blending in seamlessly while offering all the core benefits of a larger Echo. The resolution? You can sprinkle voice control throughout your home without cluttering your space. It's the perfect, affordable entry point into building a connected, convenient home environment. Here's a struggle you might not even think about: your water bottle. Over time, bacteria can build up, affecting taste and freshness. And let's be honest, how often do you really deep clean it? The LARQ Bottle PureVis 2 is the high-tech hero that tackles this invisible problem. This isn't just an insulated bottle, it's a purification system. It uses a non-toxic, mercury-free UVC LED to neutralize up to 99% of bacteria and viruses, both in the water and on the interior surfaces of the bottle itself. You can activate a sanitizing cycle with a press of a button. The transformation? You get fresh, great-tasting water every single time. The double-wall insulation keeps your water cold for up to 24 hours. Plus, the companion app helps you track your hydration goals. The resolution is a new standard for health and wellness. It turns the simple act of drinking water into a purified, optimized experience, ensuring every sip is as clean and refreshing as possible. There are few greater disappointments than taking a sip of a once hot coffee that has turned lukewarm. The struggle is real for anyone who savors their hot drinks. The Kepwam self-heating coffee mug T2 is the temperature-guarding hero that declares an end to mediocre sips. This sleek ceramic-coated mug is deceptively smart. With a single button, you choose your perfect temperature: a warm 113 degrees Fahrenheit, a hot 131 degrees Fahrenheit, or a piping 149 degrees Fahrenheit. Its long-lasting battery maintains that exact heat for hours on a single charge, and it can even stay warm indefinitely on its included charging coaster. The transformation is consistency. Your coffee, tea, or cocoa remains at your preferred sipping temperature from the first delightful taste to the very last drop. The included sliding lid helps retain heat even longer. The resolution? You reclaim the joy of your beverage ritual. No more chugging a cooling drink or suffering through reheated, bitter coffee. It's a simple, brilliant gadget that delivers perfect warmth exactly when you want it. Imagine being on a noisy train, a busy plane, or in a loud cafe, and with a tap, the world just fades away. The struggle is constant noise pollution. The Apple AirPods Pro 3 are the heroic earbuds that don't just play sound, they control your sonic environment. Their active noise cancellation is so advanced, it removes twice as much unwanted noise as previous models, immersing you completely in your music, podcasts, or simply blissful silence. But the heroics don't stop there. These earbuds can sense your heart rate during workouts and even offer live translation between languages, powered by Apple Intelligence. The sound quality is breathtaking, with a new acoustic architecture delivering deep bass and crystal clear clarity. The transformation is total auditory control. Whether you need to focus, work out, or escape, the AirPods Pro 3 create a perfect, personalized bubble of sound. They're not just headphones, they're an advanced personal audio and health device. An investment like the AirPods Pro 3 deserves protection. A simple drop or a scratch in your bag can be heartbreaking. The Spigen rugged armor case is the unsung hero that stands guard. Made from durable TPU with classic carbon fiber accents, this case is engineered to be shockproof and scratch-resistant. It snaps on precisely, offering a secure grip and full access to all features, including the charging port. The transformation is peace of mind. The included carabiner lets you clip your AirPods to a bag or belt loop, so they're always easy to find and harder to lose. It's a small, affordable accessory that dramatically extends the life and preserves the beauty of your tech. The resolution? You can carry your premium earbuds anywhere for any adventure without a second thought. Your wrist is prime real estate for your health. The struggle is understanding what your body is telling you beyond just steps. The Apple Watch Series 11 is the ultimate health monitoring hero. This incredibly powerful device is thin, lightweight, and comfortable enough to wear all day and night. It can notify you of signs of chronic high blood pressure, provide a detailed sleep score to help you understand your rest, and even take an ECG anytime. It's a powerful fitness partner, tracking advanced metrics for all your workouts. The transformation is deep, actionable insight. With up to 24 hours of battery life, it continuously monitors your vitals, detects hard falls or severe car crashes, and keeps you connected to calls and messages. The resolution is a clearer picture of your well-being, empowering you to make smarter decisions about your health, activity, and sleep, all from a device that's as stylish as it is smart. To complement a watch this advanced, you need a band that's both comfortable and protected. The Spigen Liquid Air Pro Band is the perfect partner hero. This isn't just a strap. It's a unibody design made from premium, flexible TPU that's soft against the skin and features a sweat-wicking texture. The raised edges provide a crucial lip of protection around the watch face, guarding it against accidental scrapes and bumps. The transformation is a secure, customized fit. The pin and tuck buckle ensures it stays firmly in place during any activity, from workouts to daily chores. It offers 360-degree coverage while maintaining precise cutouts for all sensors and buttons. The resolution? You get a band that enhances the functionality and durability of your Apple Watch, making it ready for anything your day throws at you. Now, for the adventurers. The struggle. You want great music by the pool, on the kayak, or at the beach, but you're terrified of water damage. The Soundcore Boom 3i is the rugged floating hero built for this exact purpose. This speaker is IP68 waterproof and dust-proof, but it goes a step further. It's specifically engineered to be saltwater resistant and, most impressively, it floats. That's right, if it takes a dip, it stays upright, keeping the sound projecting clearly. It pumps out a massive 50 watts of power with deep, punchy bass thanks to its Bass Up 2.0 technology. The transformation? Worry-free, high-quality audio anywhere. You get 16 hours of playtime, a detachable strap for easy carrying, and smart features like a voice amplifier. The resolution is the ultimate portable sound companion for any outdoor excursion, combining durability with seriously impressive audio performance. Finally, the ultimate struggle, keeping your property safe without dealing with complex wiring or monthly fees. The Reolink Altas 2K solar camera is the wireless, solar-powered security hero. This camera is a marvel of efficiency. Its massive battery can last up to 540 days in standard mode, and when paired with an optional solar panel, it can sustain itself almost indefinitely. Its most innovative feature? Pre-recording. It can capture up to 10 seconds of footage before a motion event is even triggered, so you never miss the crucial beginning of an action. With a superior f1.0 aperture, it captures stunning 2K ColorX video even in extremely low light. The transformation is total, wire-free vigilance. You get crystal clear alerts for people, vehicles, and animals, and you can store footage locally with no subscription. The resolution is effortless. Powerful peace of mind, ensuring your home is monitored intelligently and autonomously, day and night. So, which of these 15 smart tech gadgets could you see making your life easier? Was it the keyless lock, the floating speaker, or the self-cleaning water bottle? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this roundup, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Remember, as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. All links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.